Hello class and welcome to week 15 of English 101 online. This is the last week of the semester, and for this week I would like you to finish editing and revising your GRADE essay for your GRADES project, and you will submit that's two copies of your GRADES essay to the assignments tab. I'll show you what I mean by that. This particular essay will be graded not just by me, but also the English Department Committee, and you will be submitting two copies of the essay. The one that is submitted to me will be typed in the regular way that you've been typing it, Verdana font with a heading, a nifty title, double-spaced with your works cited page in alphabetical order at the end of the essay, just as you've been doing the other essays. You will upload that essay to me and I will grade it. Also, you will do a second upload in the same tab, and I'll go to that. That is your Grade tab. You will, there it is. You will go to the Grade tab and also upload a second copy of the essay. This time you will change the font. You will select all and change the font to Times New Roman. That's Times New Roman, font size 12, and you will remove the traditional heading that I've required for English 101. And the only heading I'd like to see on that second copy of the essay that you upload to the Grade tab will be the course, English 101, and your section, the letter section that comes after the English 101, and below that, your 9-digit CCBC ID number. So you will not have your name on the second copy of this essay, but you will just have the course, the English course, English 101, and your section number, and beneath that, your 9-digit CCBC ID number. When you're done, you will upload both of them to the tab. You will see that you can upload the first copy, and then you will be able to upload a second copy. And then you'll just go ahead and hit submit once that's done. I think it'll also go through Safe Assign for a check just to make sure your sources are okay. So I hope this information is helpful. This is probably my last video for the semester. I hope that you had a great semester. I certainly had a great semester facilitating and teaching you. And I wish you good luck and best wishes. And you should see your final grade at the very end after finals, just when the semester is over. I think it's somewhere in a few weeks, two or so weeks, when the grades actually go into Simon. So good luck and take care. Goodbye.